Hello guys, so in this video we will learn how to measure the average grain size using ImageJ, and we will use the intercept method, which is a very basic method to measure the average grain size. So let's get started. First you have to open your ImageJ software, so which looks like this. So once you have opened, then you have to open your SCM image, and let's choose an SCM image. Okay, so SCM image is here. Just press on the control and scroll your mouse. It will become small or large. Okay, so this size is perfect. So first step you have to do is click on the line tool, and then click here to set the scale. So before you draw the line, you have to press shift and then left click on the mouse and draw the line. It will be straight line, and then leave. Then you have to go to the analyze, set scale. So what is the length is 10 micron, so we will set 10 known distance, and the unit is micron. If it's not micron, you can just insert micron, then click OK. Okay, perfect. So then we have to use the manual method, which is intercept method. Intercept method is we just draw a line and then measure the length of the line and divide by the total number of the grains connected with the intercept line. So again we have to keep using the line tool and draw a line. So let's draw a line from this randomly. You can choose up to here. So first you have to check the length of the line. So length of the line is just analyze and measure. Okay, length is 89.499 micrometer. Now we have to calculate the number of grains, boundaries which are touching this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is total number of grains. So we will divide this length 89.499 divided by 9. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, 11. So we have to divide it by 11. So the average grain size is 8.13 micrometer. This unit is in micrometer, so this average grain size is 8.13 micrometer. This is the way how to measure the average grain size using the intercept method. Okay, I will teach you also another method, which is also manual method, how to calculate. So just close this, don't save. Okay, so you have to choose multiple grains. So let's choose this one, length, and then analyze, measure. Okay, keep this reading, and then from here width, and you can press Ctrl M or just analyze and measure. Okay, I'm using command, so choose another grain, Ctrl M, width, Ctrl M. So we have to also choose the small grain, Ctrl M, width, Ctrl M, and even smaller grain, Ctrl M, Ctrl M, and this grain also. So you have to measure the length and width of all grains having different sizes. So also measure this. I am showing here just as a tutorial. So similarly for this grain. So once you measure the length and width of all sizes of grains, then you can record the value, and this is the length and width. So then we will go on to the results and summarize. So once we click on the summarize, then we will get the mean or average is 7.62, and previously we have calculated average grain size is about 8 point something. So these are just estimations. It depends on how your grains are uniform. In this image, the grains are not uniform, so it's hard to detect the average grain size. So this is the standard deviation 4.8. So this is the minimum grain size and maximum grain size. So this is the average grain size. So since there are big standard deviation, minimum and maximum, so I suggest to use the grain size distribution graph instead of average grain size using this method, and for your journal publication or for your thesis. So for grain size distribution, I have made a separate video to keep the tutorial simple. Please check that video. Thank you very much.